Every day, thousands of drivers navigate the roads. Despite ongoing road maintenance, potholes do happen. Potholes are formed due to a combination of factors, starting with the natural wear and tear caused by traffic and the environment. As vehicles drive over the road, they put lots of force on the surface. A combination of traffic and environmental factors such as rainfall and temperature changes over time lead to deterioration of the road. Water plays a big role in the creation of potholes. When it rains or snows, water seeps into the cracks and crevices of the road, creeping into the underlying layers. These underlying layers can become weakened during periods of prolonged wet weather. Eventually, the combination of traffic and weakened materials can cause the road surface to break apart, forming a pothole. We understand the frustration caused by potholes and their impact on road safety. Our maintenance team inspect all our roads at least once a week, with busy roads inspected even more frequently. Any issues, such as potholes, are marked in a system to be repaired. Potholes can vary in size. The larger the pothole, the more urgent the repairs are, so the bigger ones are usually repaired first. To fix the problem, our road repair crews fill and patch potholes. We fill the holes with a combination of different types of asphalt and compact it to make the road surface smooth again. It can take up to 2 hours to repair a pothole. This includes setting up signs and traffic management and packing down our site. During the winter and early spring, sometimes we need to do temporary repairs to keep the road safe and drivable until the weather is warmer and drier. This means we may need to come back to repair the pothole more than once, but it is better overall as longer-term repair can be done in better conditions. Although we are on the roads often to inspect the condition of the road, if you notice a pothole or any other issue while driving, please help us by reporting it to the State Road 24/7 hotline on 1300 139 933. Our call centre operates year-round, even on Christmas Day, and will send the reports to the contractor to be actioned. Thanks for helping us to keep our roads smooth for everyone. Stay safe and happy travels.